Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing a look at the new collection from Aurora called Upcycled Universe. This collection features 4 new beads and they are out of this world, literally. They're so cool. I'm very excited to share this with you. A huge thank you to Aurora for gifting me these beads to review and style with, and a huge thank you to this community as well, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you, so thank you so much. Now, if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm enjoying a delicious tea latte. This tea was actually from my Sips by box, and I was really excited to make it as a latte. So delicious, and I also love some frothy oat milk or almond milk with my tea lattes. So good. Now, in addition to this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you a design with me, so you can kind of see a sneak peek of it on my wrist right now and on my neck. But anyway, without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. The first item I'm going to share is called the Personalized Wooden Charm Box. This comes with custom engraving and it is so special. Now, it isn't actually exclusive to the Upcycled Universe collection. You can add this to your cart with any purchase and you can have it custom engraved for a loved one, for yourself, and it comes with different fonts that you can pick out too. Aurora was so sweet and they put my name on the back of it, which I absolutely love. It's such a sweet detail. I love the font that they picked too. It is very me and it was such a lovely surprise. I was not expecting that. On one side of the box too, it has a spot where you can pop a charm inside and have a couple on the bottom too. And the first charm I'm going to share with you is actually up at the top there in that little foam part. His name is Scrapy the Bot. He also makes me think of Disney Wally. He is absolutely adorable. I'm going to read to you what Aurora has to say about the inspiration of this charm. A robot built from scrap metal pieces wandered aimlessly searching for purpose. One day, it stumbled upon a suitcase full of treasures. As the robot shifted through the items, it found a star map hidden at the bottom of the suitcase. Realizing that these treasures were once treasured possessions of beings from another planet, the robot felt a newfound purpose: to protect and preserve the environment so that future generations could enjoy its wonders. Now, there's more to this story, so definitely check out Aurora's website. I'll have this charm link down below so you can read the rest about the story behind him, but I love it. He's so detailed. Now we're going to move on over to the next charm, and this is called the Galaxy Travel Suitcase, so the one that the robot had found earlier, and oh my gosh, look at all the details in it. You can see a rocket there with a can, the different items that were described about the robot and what he found, and the little star map at the back. You can also spot the vintage Walkman as well, which is really cool. Now, the robot worked tirelessly to clean up the planet, and it discovered that the star map on the back of the suitcase contained valuable information about other planets and their ecosystems. With renewed hope, the robot set out on a new mission to share this knowledge with other beings and encourage them to protect and preserve their own environments. Here are some side views of the charm, the little suitcase. You can also see the S925, like the hallmarks on the side on the suitcase here. And this is so cleverly done. Like from every angle, there's something to see on here, which I love. And it connects with the story so beautifully. The next charm you're seeing right now is called the Aurora 6 Planet Charm. And this is where the robot found the suitcase. It discovered the suitcase and the different items and it started his mission and purpose. It is beautifully done. It has a lovely weight to it, and it kind of is like tilted to the side on your bracelet, or depending on how you wear it. I actually end up wearing this as a necklace, like a pendant piece. I'll share that in a little bit. It is beautiful. It has these kind of like whimsical kind of movements to the planet itself too. You can see all the planet details. You can also find the hallmarks down on the bottom of the planet. It is so pretty and it connects with the story. Now, I was playing around with the design. You'll see a design with me in just a little bit. And I wanted to put this on the bracelet, but it didn't, I just didn't have enough charms to even it out. But I'll share a little bit more of that later. Now, the last charm in this collection is so cool. It is called Star Map. It's made of Murano glass and it actually features some gold detailing inside of it. Star Map really ties the stories together, as well as a bracelet design if you're incorporating these charms together. I love the line details. It's like the map and kind of traces the different planets where the robot is going. It has this kind of golden hour feel to it, kind of the stars twinkling, kind of the warmth of a planet. I love it. It's so pretty. Now, as you can already see, we're moving into the design with me, and I took the planet charm Aurora 6 here, and I decided to add it onto my Aurora necklace. I wanted to wear it as a pendant. As mentioned earlier, I tried to play around with it on a bracelet design. I just didn't have a charm to complement it. Didn't need to be like perfectly symmetrical, but I just didn't have one that went with the story itself. So chose to wear it as a necklace, and I just love how it looks. It has a lovely weight to it. And it actually, since it has a little bit of weight, it really does stay in place, but it, depending on if you touch it or move it, kind of fidgeting with it, it's so cool to like play with and hold, and it just stands out on a nice sweater, on a blouse. It's so pretty. Now here is the design with me, a charm bracelet design with me. I love doing these, so I'm trying to do these more for you guys, and I'd love to film some more. Let me know if you'd like to see the design with me process, maybe slowed down too. Just let me know. I could do a separate video too. But I decided to use my bracelet, my bangle bracelet here, and I added some of the sea glass beads from Aurora. I thought the colors like the purple and the yellow really complemented Starlight, the Murano glass bead, and it just makes a lovely centerpiece too. So I'm really happy with how this bangle charm bracelet design turned out. And this whole collection overall for me is just so inspiring, so unique. I love every, collection that comes out comes with a unique story and inspiration, but I love the amount of thought that Aurora put into this story. Like if you go onto the website, you can read their whole little story about it, and it just makes me love the collection like that much more. I can picture this little robot going on his planet, finding the suitcase, a little story with it. It's so well done and so unique and special. I'm going to read one more part of the story for you guys. And so the robot traveled far and wide across the galaxies, sharing its message of recycling, reuse, and overall protection of our environment. Its mission became a beacon of hope for all those who believed in a better, more sustainable future. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my overview of this collection and kind of a mini review of it as well. I would love to know your thoughts on this collection. Please let me know down below. If you have any questions, also feel free to ask me down below or send me a DM on Instagram at Fashion Storyteller. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.